So of course, every trip, like last Christmas, everybody was sick. Last time we came to Hawaii, Lennon put a M&M up his nose, so when we were at the airport, EMTs came, and that whole situation happened. So last night, about 6 a.m., Lennon had a 102.7 fever. So luckily, they have doctors at the hotel, so this is where we are.
When's the last time you've given him the Tylenol?
6 a.m.
Okay.
Grab.
3,
Okay.
4,
No strep?
5, 6,
No, it looks
7,
really good.
8, 9,
Tilt a
10,
little.
11, 12, 13, 18.
Tilt a little bit. No, I
He's
gotta
just gonna look in your ear,
ear.
This way.
There we go. Hold still. Yeah, oh, that looks perfect.
Such a clown.
Yeah, he's probably just got a virus that frequently causes these ear infections. And whoops.
So we just left the doctor, and the doctor said, what did the doctor say? He said, you're going to be just fine. Everything looks good. It's probably just a virus, Tylenol, and you'll be good to go. Your ear infection's all better. He had an ear infection last week, so all better. You feel better?
My stomach.
Oh, his stomach hurts. I think he needs a poop.
No.
Got smooth sailing. Looks like every drop of rain is gone, gone, gone. Smooth sailing, and a blue sky full of rainbows from now on. We didn't break apart in stormy weather. Didn't run the ground like others do. Now we are not afraid when storm clouds gather, 'cause we got the kind of love that sees us through. We got smooth sailing. Looks like every drop of rain is gone, gone, gone. Smooth sailing, and a blue sky full of rainbows from now on.
It's a little cold and rain. It's sort of raining a little bit. It is a little bit cold, but
I'm feeling a bit seasick. But
my ties are free though. So that's a plus.
From now on we can laugh at troubled waters, 'cause our roughest storms just seem to make love grow. We got smooth sailing. Looks like every drop of rain is gone, gone, gone. Smooth sky full of rainbows from now on. We got smooth sailing. Looks like every drop of rain is gone, gone, gone. Smooth sailing. And a blue sky full of rainbows from now on.